Taking a look at today's interest rate markets, let's look at the 10-year note futures as they're finding some higher price levels today. 10-year note futures are coming off of 6 consecutive lower closes, and today we did see the futures market trade down to the middle of the 109 handle before finding some higher price levels here and currently trading up on the session at the 109.30 level, so just below the 110 handle, as we're seeing some stability here, at least for the short term, as the markets have experienced some pretty heavy selling pressure for the better part of the last week. Driving factors today looks like data-driven to some degree. Now, the retail sales pretty much in line, but U.S. manufacturing data, industrial production, capacity utilization coming in below expectations. So at least having a little bit of a shifting sentiment in the market as far as economic activity. Couple that with the expectations for the Fed announcement tomorrow. I think that's another factor contributing to why we're seeing prices find at least a holding pattern here for a couple of sessions as they anticipate the release of that announcement tomorrow. And when you look at the levels today, we're looking at yields now ticking lower by about 1.5 basis points to 438 basis points today. So coming off that 440 mark, although we did see them over 440 earlier in the session. And the yield curve is shifting slightly higher today, pretty much from the 2s all the way out to the 30s. We're seeing prices higher, yields lower by about 1 basis point across the yield curve. So not a big shift as far as steepening or inversion of the yield curve, but moving up in unison from the 1s all the way to the 30s basically. By about 1 basis point today. So prices are finding at least some stability as the markets await the release of the Fed decision tomorrow afternoon.